We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system, Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area, because of
Posted on September 8, 2024.
a local weather emergency. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Flash County in north central Maryland until 10:45. At 7:38, Doppler radar indicated rain, producing heavy thunderstorms across the warned area between 1.5 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include
Posted on September 6, 2024. September 7, 2024. Posted on September 8, 2024. Posted on September 10, 2024. Here we go, guys. Hi.
Brunswick, Jefferson, Arnoldtown, Middletown and Frederick, Braddock Heights, Rosemont, and Petersville.